Hello, I'm going to do something very quick. It's something that I haven't done before here, but I did in my house management planner, and I was trying to do here, and I thought, you know what, I will share. I was just beginning to do it. So let me show you. I mentioned before this planner. This is my house management planner. I have a lot of things going here, and in one of my areas that is where are you, shores, that I have a lot of things to do. I have this, that is my garden log. I will share with you what I have here. All that I do here, I don't do in this page. I just copy and keep every week or every month I do a new one. That's what I was doing before when I was using only Erin Condren, Happy Planner. So I decided to put some of these on this page that I have no use. That is the one that comes after the month. And first I will do my plants log, and since I got these stickers, I think it will be nice to use them on this page. And I will put just the plant log. I will not do anything of the garden yet because this is more spring related. And I think I will put my shopping list. Maybe. Yeah, it can be a good idea to put that. So I was dividing these, and to do similar to this one, instead of draw, I will put a sticker. So this one is the beginning, is January, so I don't have any of the plants going yet, and it will be more than anything like just some pots. And you know, actually these ones are good. I need something that be small that will fit there, and I think these ones will fit. So let me write the title for this. Tools here. Like I say, I was just going to do all these in my just by myself. So let me put this title. Okay, we have the title, and we will divide where I have that, just to mark. And do this. Great. There. And now I will do the division of these. I will put just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Will be actually 9 because one will be the title. So let me mark all these. Okay, and now I will put, so we will divide this one by seeding. Means that I will put the date that I put the seeds, what kind of plant. I will put days of germination. Then I will put transplant, and I am going to put harvest like I have in the other one, but for this will take time. And here I will put quantity, will be in case of harvesting. This can be in this time. Quantity will be how many plants I do of that one. I think that will be good. Before we continue, I want to put some of the little plants of decoration there, just to give a little more a nice touch. This will be a good size. Since we have these stickers, I want to take advantage of that instead of drawing like I did in my other one. Maybe we'll have to cut a little of this one. That will be all. I can put one more. there. Perfect. Okay, so we got the seeding and planting log. I will not put yet where it's going to be located because that belongs to the springtime and we don't want to mess up with that. The weekly thing, that will leave in other part. I will put the shopping list because you always need the seeds and stuff like that. So let me see if I have anything like soil. I couldn't find anything that is like soil like I did here. This was a draw that I did. So maybe we'll put one of these. Yeah, I think we will use this. We will do like this. It's not a big list, so we will do shopping list there. Where's my marker? I think I will remove this one and I will put here. It's taking too much space. Shopping list, I can put something smaller there. What can be? Maybe some of those basils. There. It looks cute. Okay, so we got that. We're going to mark in that way too. I don't think I need to do so much shopping here, so let me mark here. Now what we put here, okay, and in this part we will create the water log. Let's see. Okay, you must be wondering why I jump from one to another. I try to leave one day without water just in case, and it all depends also because when they are on the greenhouse they don't need a lot of watering, so a lot of these days maybe I will not be watering. So we got all this page done. Here we have our plant log. Seeding will be the date, what kind of plant, the time that it's taking to germinate, for the germination, the transplant date. If I harvest, it will be kind of hard for this time, but and then quantity, usually it will be quantity of the harvest, but I will put how many plants I'm doing of each one and every time that I do. On this one is the shopping list, will be like soil, if I need 1 bag or which one, like 2 cubic, 4 cubics, half cubic feet. Soil, what brand I'm using, the price, where I got, Amazon, Home Depot, Freddy's, whatever place, and the satisfaction will be if I'm happy with the quality of the item or not. In that way I know that if I don't like, I put an X and I don't buy that again and I try something different. The same for the seeding. I will buy my package of seeds, and I usually go for the organic, and I want to see how they really work on my greenhouse. And then the watering log will be the days that I will be watering. No, every day. When it's the, winter is not like you need to be watering a lot. Right now I have some of the little plants on pots and I water almost every day, but not every day. And why I did in these colors is because this is my other page and I like to keep kind of the same colors than the other one. I showed you before what is this other page. That is my usually bucket list here, but this one is right now a garden list that I did. What I want to plant first. That was the reason I decided to do this garden log here. This one usually is the holiday, what celebration, and instead of put New Year, because it's only one day, it's not like a celebration coming, I put welcome winter with these stickers. And all that I need to do for my winter to get ready: get shovel for the snow, get the ice for the car, get the ice for the driveway, winter pipe protectors, the ones that you put on the hole on the, it's not only the pipe, you put, well, we put one on the basement, and then you have another that you put on the faucets. Car scrapers, I have to make sure that we have the scrapers on the car. Turn pots upside down. The ones that we have on the garden, those goes upside down, because if you get a lot of water and then it snow, it gets frozen, and we got situations that the ice broke some of the pots, so upside down will help to keep the water out. And then the pillows or seats from outside that we have to take off. Movies that I will be watching, and here is memories, like I do always, like things to remember on that. Where is the other one? I keep some of the pictures, so I want to continue doing that, but these ones will change. I was putting books here, but since I'm doing my tracking of the books that I read, is in this one and the other one here, I have my tracking. So at the end, instead of do memory, I will do my books on just what I'm reading when I'm finished reading, what it looks. So this is my garden log, we can say, on this page. It's just kind of working what I used to do, that it was printing this page and this one and keep every week. Now I will have for the month here. Well, this is monthly. This is just my garden and how I decide to go. I have the greenhouse outside. This goes in the center here in the garden, and then I have a little one here. This year it is the turn to have tomatoes here and no in the one that is outside. And how I will divide these, that's what I will see. And used to have this week, like the week and the month, the season, if it's winter or what was my main task, and the watering log for the week. But I decided to put here the watering log for the month, the shopping list that usually I have here, and the plant log that instead of it just for the complete week or month in one page, I will do in this way. And I have still things that I do. So it's like everything in one, kinda, without the map of the garden. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like to do in this way, or if you have a happy planner, you can work like having more space and just moving the page? If you print one, you know that you can just do the holes and just keep moving the page. Since I didn't want to be doing this page for every week, I was just printing and using. But I liked in this way being part of my monthly. So this is the month of January, and then it comes my garden log, my bucket list and stuff to do in winter, and then it begins the month. And that is everything for today. It was nice to be able to use my new sticker book. I love it. I love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this page. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Okay, you will not believe this, but since I'm very new on the Erin Condren, I didn't notice that I have extra paper in the notes area of the planner. So I was like, I don't know where I will do more. So I did my plants log for the year here. I left just the page that is for December there, and I did my plant log for the year here, and here I put the area where I have like the tomatoes, what it have to do. I will not fill this yet, and I have to get the measures and how I will space and which one of the tomatoes I will put. This is the veggies area. Then I have to divide. This takes extra time, but this is more in spring when I have the plants and I'm ready to do this part. But I wanted to share so you see what I did here. I know I'm crazy. Now I know that I have more paper, so I will be able to do more stuff.